Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up two-step verification for WhatsApp. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to WhatsApp, open that up, and then head over to settings in the bottom right corner. And then you want to click on account. And then as you see right there under security, it says two-step verification. So we can go ahead and click on that. And then you just want to click on enable. And then here, all you have to do is just enter a 6-digit PIN, which you'll be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. So I'll just do 11111 for tutorial's sake. And then you just want to confirm your PIN. And then here's going to ask you to put your email address in which you want to set up your account with. So you can go ahead and do that right now. If you do not want to set up your account with an email, you can just click on skip. So go ahead and do that right now. And then as you can see here, it's just enabling the two-step verification. And now it has been enabled. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with the video. If I was able to help you guys out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.